What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Johannesburg, South Africa. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over Cardano, ADA. Currently, we're sitting at 65 cents. We're up about almost 3% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 22.05 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.52 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback, and crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the daily for ADA. Now, there's two scenarios in my opinion. Either we've already created a 5-wave structure and we're going through a major correction. Well, we're going through a major correction either way. Or this is just all a part of the wave 3. And right now, we're currently going through that corrective wave 4. And the only way to invalidate that is if we were to break the wave 1 highs. If it started to dip into wave 1, it would invalidate that structure. Because I pulled my Fibonacci here from the bull market of 2017, 2018, all the way down to the bear market low, and we didn't even reach the 1.272. So we may just be going through a large corrective wave 4 before seeing that final wave 5 that could take you up to the 1.618 at about $19. Or this was our wave 3. We had our corrective wave 4 and our final wave 5 that took you up to the all-time high at about $3.09. Either way, we are going through a 5-wave structure to the downside. Just going to pop this open to the 4-hour time frame. So impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, your largest wave 3, corrective wave 4, and your impulsive wave 5. Please remember that Elliott wave theory is subjective, so always take it with a grain of salt. So if this is our corrective wave 4 that we're currently going through, we have a little bit of a WXY correction, which has an ABC within each wave. So we've come up ABC, ABC, and we could possibly come all the way up and retest about 77 cents where we had all this support from this large descending triangle pattern that we broke down from. We may be coming back up to retest it and then start to see that 5-wave structure to the downside. That could bring you back down to 25 cents in my opinion, which is the technical target from this descending triangle. And if we scroll back here, you can see it lines up with this cluster of support. So if we do see one more drop for ADA, which I do think is likely, if Bitcoin comes down to 22K, we could definitely come down to that 25-cent range, in my opinion. If this were to be the bottom, a big signal for me that we bottomed out is that we break back above about 80 cents. We hold it as support, and we see that continuation back to the upside. Then I would think the bottom is in for ADA, and you're going to see that continuation of the bull market. But as of right now, I do think we're going through that corrective wave 4. Looks like we're putting in a WXY correction before seeing a 5-wave move to the downside, which would take you down to that 25-cent price target. The big resistance to watch, in my opinion, is coming in between that 77 to 80-cent target. If we do break above it, then it would give me stronger confirmation that the bottom is in for ADA, and we are going to see continuation of the bull market. But if we simply get rejected right here, grab my brush one more time, we create a double top, we come down, or we retest this resistance and then we start to come down, I would expect you to come down to that 25-cent price target. Looks like we have a little bit of a bearish divergence here on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we're creating a slightly higher high, slightly lower high in the RSI. It can be invalidated if we continue to push up. Let's see what we can see here on the hourly time frame. So on the 1 hour as well, as you can see here, we're creating higher highs while creating lower highs on the RSI. Bearish divergence can be an early sign that the bulls are running out of strength. I'd be pretty impressed to see ADA come all the way up and retest this level of resistance. In my opinion, that would be your confirmation that you're putting in that ABC correction, and then if we get rejected, we can see that 5-wave structure down to 25 cents. But if we fail to break this high and we do start to come down here for ADA, then that would be your completion of your wave Y, in my opinion, and you'd be looking for that 5-wave structure to the downside to bring you down to 25 cents. That is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Let me quickly open it up here. We have over 1,800 members, over 1,900 members actually, talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, all types of goodies. All of that comes in at the $3.50 membership. If you want my exact entries, exits, take profits, our trade signals are coming in at $10, and you can sign up through the Patreon. And of course, we have the DCA trade strategy, very simple method of trading. The DCA charts for the live dollar cost average trades on the channel, and buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoin positions. You can sign sign up to the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.